In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off auto brightness on your laptop. So if it keeps going brighter and then dimmer, here's how you can turn that off and just have it at one brightness that you set. So there are two ways that you can do this. The first thing that I would do is go to search and just type in control panel. Once you've opened up your control panel, go to hardware and sound, go to power options. And here, if you go to change plan settings and then change advanced power settings, you'll have this pop-up box open and you can then go to display and you may see something called adaptive power or adaptive display. I don't have it on my computer, but on some older computers it might show here. And you can go ahead and make sure that adaptive display or adaptive power is turned off. After you've done that, if you go to the start menu and then head over to settings, you can then search for display. And then you should find display settings. Go to your brightness here, click the drop down menu, and here you've got change brightness automatically. Turn that off, and then you can choose the brightness of your screen and just keep it on whatever brightness you want.